Can cryptocurrency losses be tax deductible here in the UK? So plenty of people ask us all sorts of things financially about crypto and Bitcoin and their investments, and we try to give as much advice as possible. So this is one of the questions that we get asked on a fairly regular basis. You know, everyone talks about making money in crypto, but very few people openly talk about crypto losses. And of course, markets go up as well as down. And what are the kind of options when those things happen? And are there any advantages of doing so? So here in the UK, cryptocurrency is classed as a capital asset. So if you take a loss and you sell those coins at a lower price than you purchased them for whatever reason, then there are obviously the standard rules that apply if you do take a capital loss on different types of asset classes. So even though I myself am no qualified accountant in order to give you this advice officially, we do of course have a cryptocurrency accountancy firm here where we have chartered accountants who deal with all of this for our clients on a one-on-one basis. So the advice that we give to people of course is tailored depending on everyone's circumstances, and really regarding what you would do with this type of situation if it was on your plate, as it were, is very much dependent upon your personal portfolio, if you have different houses, what you're currently doing with your business, kind of many different variables as to whether or not it would be a good idea. But there are certain circumstances in certain market conditions where selling at a loss in order to achieve some tax benefits on capital losses may be advantageous for some people under certain circumstances. So losing money in the markets is obviously never a good thing. It's not the ideal. You want to be worried about how much tax you'll pay on profit, of course, but there are certain instances where that can be taken advantage of, or at least kind of minimize the loss as best you can through other mechanisms that exist. And of course, we're more than happy to provide information for people that fall into that category in more detail, precise to individual case-by-case basis. Thanks for watching, everyone. I've been Josh from Easy Crypto Hunter, and I hope you've answered some of your questions here on the channel. If you want to get some more information about any other crypto topic that might be burning in your mind, take a little look around, give us a like and a subscribe, help us spread the message of crypto education for everyone, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.